Dosto, to my channel Magical Bandapur. Previous video I have discussed the type 1 problem, clock problem means angle problem where hand should be given. Now here I have discussed the hand problem type 2 and mirror image problem and water image problem type 3. Type 2 hand problem, what's the problem here? Here angles must be given. Number 1 coincide. Coincide means the angle between the hour hand and minute hand becomes 0 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree and straight line means it is sometimes 0 degree or 180 degree. And in this video I have discussed hand problem, that is type 2 and type 3. Let's start. So is taking this question, at what time between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock both the hands of a clock meet together? Meet together means coincide. Okay. See the figure carefully. It's a circular clock. It is 5 o'clock and it is 6 o'clock. And what time? From 5 to 6, both the hands together. Together means just like figure. It is our hand. And this total minute hand, and their head angle is 0 degree. So here angle must be 0 degree. Here is one procedure we can apply, only formula. Otherwise it takes some extra times if you use the diagram procedure, and the formula is this: 2 by 11 the bracket 30 into hour times is our time, not our hand, plus minus angle. That's it. And noted that a positive sign taken when this, not is the bracket parenthesis, is less than 360 degree, then we take positive sign, and if it's greater than 360 degree, then we take negative sign. That means if we calculate this problem, what becomes 2 by 11 30 into hour time means hour 5 or 6, which is less than 5, less than 6, so you use 5. Be negative plus or 0 degree. Here is 0, so there is no problem if we take positive or negative. Is here we not consider the sign problem. So what happens? 2 by 11 into 150 degree is equal to, and this like this, and if you calculate this, it becomes 27.27 ... degree. Is the answer is it. That means coincide means in one, if the any hand works 360 angle, then coincide occurrence is 1 times, and it is equal to 7 to 27 by 99, and this is the answer. At what time between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock both the hands of a clock meet together, and the answer becomes 27 into 27 by 99. We're taking the second problem. At what time between 5 to 5:30 p.m. or a.m. and 5 to 6 p.m. or a.m. the hands of a clock are perpendicular. Perpendicular means angle must be 90 degree. So I use angle is 90 degree. Here two cases arise. It is 5 o'clock and 5:30 am or pm, whatever. In a circular clock, in 12 hour in 1 hour, say the both hands are perpendicular in 2 times, and is in 1 hour between half minute, that is 30 minutes in 1 hour it occurs, and another 30 minutes second time occurs perpendicular positions. Here we apply the formula. What is formula? By 11 to 30 into hour time. What's hour? 5 and 2 plus minus 90 degree. If we then what happens? 5 degree plus minus 90 degree, and 150 plus 90 degree, this is less than 36 degree, 360 degree, and if we negative sign take, then it must be 360 degree. What we take, the positive sign or negative sign? But this is a crucial question. Here if we take positive, what happens? By 11 150 degree plus 90 degree, 11 and 240 degree, and 8 43.36.99, and it is greater than 30 degree. So here we take negative sign. So here we take negative sign, and what happens? 2 by 11 150 degree 90 degree, and 46 degree, and it becomes 10 of 90 by 99 equal to 9 by 11, and answer is, this is the answer. And that means in 12 and 6 between here, then this time is the perpendicular position. That means it is hour clock or minute clock, and it is hour clock or minute clock, that's the angle in 90 degree. And here we take negative sign, and if we take positive sign, then is the answer, and it is between 5 to 6 o'clock, and here is no problem. I can try it again, as 2 by 11 30 into hour 5 less than, this is less than 5 and 6 5, so 5 is taken, plus 90 degree, 2 by 11 plus 90 degree, 2 by 11 240 degree equal to plus 43 63 by 99 equal 43 by 7 by 11. This is the time, and if the problem between 5 to 5:30 half an hour, then here we take negative sign, and if the whole, then we take positive sign. Taking another problem, at what time between 7 to 8 p.m. or am the hands of a clock forms to stand on a straight line? That means this position. See this figure. This is minute hand, and this is hour hand, and here the 180 degree angle and a 0 degree angle is straight line home, and the formula by 11 30 into 7. If we take the angle first 0 degree, so I will 0 degree, no problem, taking positive or negative sign, to 11 equal to become 38 of 2 by 11, and this is the answer. And here is another answer. If we take 180 degree angle, taking negative sign or positive, what here is the, if we take positive, then it must be greater than 360 degrees. So here it is negative angle. What happens? Degree 7 0 degree. What happens? 60 degree by 11, 5 by 11. This is the answer when you take 180 degree, and another here is two answers. This is and this is. Simply remind this for competitive exam without using pen. Point 1, at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 11 o'clock, whatever, the angle between the hands, when minute hands and hour hands, becomes 0 degree. And the box hand type, angle, time of occurrence in 12 hours. First coincide, that means angle 0 degree, and in 12 hours time of occurrence 11 times. Perpendicular, angle 90 degree, and it occurs 22 times. I say in previous. And straight line, this means 180 degree or 0 degree, and this 0 degree means 11 times, and 180 degree is 11 times. 11 plus 11, 22 times. And next we discuss type 3 mirror image problem or water image. See the picture carefully. A real picture here is 240, and the mirror it is 40 minutes. Please see this picture carefully. We use here a formula, simple formula, but from the idea of circular clock, we can say what is the mirror image problem in 1 second without using pen. But here we apply taking a problem that's a person saw a clock in the mirror and she or he saw it was 9:40 am or pm. Then what was the actual time? So here in the mirror shows this time. What is the actual? We can say from the mirror, from our clock. Please make this clock in your mind and simply answer this without pen. But if you not to take this, you apply this formula. This formula is trick. Simply subtract this time from 12 o'clock. That's mean 12 o'clock, we can write 12 as 11:60. That's mean 12 o'clock, and subtract 9:40. What happens? 0, 2, 2. That's the actual time is 2:20 minutes. So answer is this. Let's see the another pictures.